Gear review. Woo! Okay folks, we're going to do a gear review. I know, I'm spoiling you. Nothing for 4 weeks, then 2 videos in nearly 2 days. Right, I have here the Prologic quick release landing net. The reason I wanted the quick release landing net is a while ago I had an accident whilst sharpening a knife. I took a filleting knife and stuck it through my hand, and I ended up cutting the flexor tendons in my thumb. So I only have partial movement in my thumb. But it wasn't a fun time, you know. It's been a couple of days up in the Ulster Hospital in Belfast. So I wanted something that I could make my life easier, break down the landing net a bit quicker. So I like the idea of the Prologic quick release landing nets. The reason I went with this landing net is it has a button. Now that's your landing net to arms. I'll show you now in a minute. But you press this button and the arms collapse, which makes unhooking and landing, or you have to collapse the net to unhook it, to unhook your catch anyway. So let's just see what it looks like. Okay, we've got a carbon handle. Take off all this plastic crap. Quite a nice carbon handle with some decals on it. The head unscrews. So if you had, so it's just like a normal landing net handle. You screw on the head with the quick release button. The reason I went with this landing net is, well, I've already explained, it's the quick release on one side, and it looks like it's a different mesh, but we're not going to fall it over the mesh. I wanted a mesh that was like a free flow mesh that was not going to cause drag in the water, because I fish rivers. So this is why I went with that there. That mesh is nice and wide, you can get lots of water through it. So let's set it up. And you just have to pull these are little quick clips. You just push this back, that connects in. So you push it back, connects in. Oh, that's nice. I'm not sure how you're going to see that through that net, but there's like an angled hook protector, corner protector. Pretty good. I like that. It's got a good deep base, which is good. That means the fish aren't going to come out of it. There's nothing worse than having a fish in your landing net and having the fish then escape the landing net. Right. It isn't that heavy actually. It's fairly lightweight. Holding it at the end, it's not that heavy either. Okay. And there's a trick to making it collapse apparently. You have to kind of get your arm in, press the button, it folds down, and then you pull these clips up and it opens for you. But as first impressions go, I am impressed. I quite like this. It looks like it's got good build quality. The net looks like it's Well made, good stitching. Yeah. So there you go. The Prologic quick release landing net. First impressions. I quite like that it's lightweight. It looks the part. I'm liking the idea of the quick release system to collapse the net to obviously wrap it and get your fish to the hooker mat. Now I just have to wait for the pike fishing season to get some pike in it, but that's going to be pretty good. Prologic landing net.